What's happening, everybody? Brian here with FWA, and today we're going to talk about FWA health insurance. Now, I know you saw some of this stuff kind of come up during the Fence Show and Security Expo, and we have been working on it nonstop since then, trying to make stuff a little bit better. So if you saw some of the posts I did recently, we've actually revamped the site because it looks like there wasn't quite enough information out there for people to understand what it was about. So I'm going to go into that real quick just because I want to make sure everybody has access to it. You know, I woke up this morning and thought to myself how fortunate it was that me and my family have health insurance, and how many of us in our industry don't have it, and how complicated it is to navigate through the health insurance part of it. And I feel like a lot of people just don't know what we actually created for the fence and gate industry. So again, this is for everybody. It doesn't for you, your family, your employees, or even, like I said, anybody you want to try to get involved that you feel needs some health insurance. We want to see as many people get health insurance this holiday season as we can. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the website to give you a little bit better idea. Go to fwahealth.com. That's fwahealth.com, and you'll see this exact same website that's up there. And I'm not sure how clear it is for you guys on the other end over there, but the homepage it's going to look similar to this. Is basically the homepage. So you'll go in here. It's going to list the pricing right in the very beginning. Right when you get on there, you'll see monthly plans, and it'll kind of break down some of that, those questions you might have about whether it includes. Looks like just for you, your employee, an employee with a spouse, employee with children, or even family plans. So it starts at $49 and goes up to $537 a month for an entire family. Is it going to be the same for some of the features of maybe global stuff or whatever's going on for an $800 a month per employee or per person plan? Probably not. So, but it's going to be your basic. It's going to meet some of the requirements you have to, like in California and stuff, so you're not getting penalized for not having health insurance. And it's going to give you something that you can offer. I mean, let's face it, it's tough enough to get employees right now out there. I mean, we're all trying to hire. So it's going to say, hey, you know what, we offer some health insurance. And even if it's the basics, so if somebody does get, their preventative stuff, if somebody gets a cold, when their child gets sick and has to go to the emergency room or go to the urgent care, things like that. It's going to give you different plans for stuff like that. So as you go through, you're going to see some of the preventative maintenance stuff for the adults, some preventative maintenance stuff for the children as well. And here you're going to be able to download some of the information a little bit more detailed as you want to get into that. But as you go up here to the top, you can say, hey, I just want to look at the minor medical plans. It's going to give you an outline of what that is. So it'll say the Optima Care covers this with this kind of copays and what it has. And you could click this enroll button over here that I'll show you in a second. Go to the next one, Elite Care. Elite Care, after that is Extra Care if you want to get into the hospital plan stuff. And then again, with some of this monthly stuff. Anyway, go over to the dental plans at the top. You can see the couple different dental plans if you want to add dental, which is fairly inexpensive if you need to get that on there. I think, in fact, we have health insurance, and my daughter signed up for this and added the dental so she can get some dental work done. Anyway, go over to vision. There is a vision one. This is just stuff we've been working on. It took us like a year and a half or so in the making to get this thing done. So once you hit the enroll button on any one of these areas where you see enroll, click enroll. It's going to take you over to this page. I don't think you can see that page, but let me see. See if I can show you that page that it just pulled up. So once you hit that, it's going to take you over to this page. And once you're on this page, it's as simple as putting in your email address, and it'll take you over to a place where you can actually go and sign up and just kind of view some more information on the plans. Anyway, get in there, share that for us. Let's see how many people we can get health insurance that don't have it right now. This was designed for the fence and the gate industry. Anybody use it. I mean, if you don't have to be an FWA member. I mean, obviously we'd appreciate it if you would, but I didn't create anything that we're doing because we want to limit who has accesses to the resources and things like that. So anyway, fwahealth.com, go to the site and take a look, share it, see what you can